Now that the route has been mapped, we can go on to save it. With it saved, we now have the option to either use our personal music to create our personalized playlist that matches our pace, or to use the other playlists that the app has generated for us that also matches our pace. Seeing it as we have a lot of music, it will probably work just fine with our pace, so let's do that. Let's call it Queen's Park, because that's where it is, and confirm. Now that we have finished mapping a route, we go back to the main page. Also, let us go running now that we have finished mapping a route. When we press the Go Running button, the Routes tab of the main menu is opened, and we can see, as previously shown, all the different routes. Additionally, the new Queen's Park route that has been just mapped, and it can be seen. So let us use that route to run. Here we can see the exact details of the routes, its name, Queen's Park, its distance, the exact location of the run, and where you are in that location. Additionally, you can see exactly what music will be played during this playlist that was made for you. So let's start the run by pressing play. Obviously, we're not going to wait until 25 minutes, so when the run is over, you just press the stop button. And when that happens, it records the time, obviously, and the date, and whether if that run was your personal best. Seeing as this was the first run, as we have just mapped the route, only one entry is given. But in future runs, the Queen's Park table will go larger, and the user can see exactly how he can compare exactly how he did with his previous runs. Additionally, the average pace is also given for that specific run. So let us see now how the current run that we just did, how it affects our current statistics. So we can see here that the Queen's Park route has been added, and we can also see that our total average pace has changed. One final feature of this application is the ability to improve a playlist in a sense that you make it shorter, and thus you improve your potential optimal pace. So these plus signs here is what it does. So for example, if I were to press this button here, it will decrease the playlist duration for the Queen's Park route by 10 seconds by removing a song and adding a new song with a similar pace that is 10 seconds shorter. So let's do that. So it can be seen that the Queen's Park playlist has been shortened by 10 seconds. So let's go in to see what exactly has been changed. So here we can see that the total duration of the playlist has been changed by 10 seconds, and that Justin Bieber is no longer in the playlist and has been replaced by Keisha. And thus that concludes the prototype demonstration. And yes, it is just to show that this app can be used with competitive runners that enjoy listening to music to continually improve their pace by playing music that they like and changing the playlist consistently, and thus improving their pace in the long term.